Welcome to our channel. Ready to close your Dropbox account? Follow these steps to permanently delete your account and remove all stored data. Step 1. Sign into Dropbox.com using web browser. Account deletion must be done through website, not desktop or mobile app. Step 2. Click your avatar and select Settings. This opens your account management page with various options. Step 3. Navigate to the General tab. Look for the Delete Account option at the bottom of the page. Step 4. Back up important files before proceeding. Download any files you want to keep as deletion is permanent. Step 5. Cancel any paid subscriptions first. Go to Billing section and downgrade to Basic Plan before deletion. Step 6. Click Delete Account button. Dropbox will ask you to confirm this serious action. Step 7. Provide reason for leaving and enter password. Select a reason from drop-down and verify your identity with password. Step 8. Click Permanently Delete to confirm. Your account and all data will be immediately and permanently removed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.